Did you know that we've created step-by-step guides to help you navigate the Mortar AI portal? You didn't? Well, aren't you glad you stumbled across this video? We created our Knowledge Hub to make using Mortar AI easy and seamless as possible, whilst educating you on how to best use our customer data platform for your digital marketing campaigns. Okay, let's explore the Knowledge Hub. You will see a speech bubble on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the speech bubble, then click on the search field. This will bring up the Knowledge Hub by category. Click on the category you want information on, and all related articles will appear. To view the article, click on its name, and it will magically appear. If you need to return to the previous menu, click the yellow arrow on the top left-hand corner of the Knowledge Hub box. Can't find what you need? Not to worry. You can contact us via the Contact Us button at the bottom of the Knowledge Hub. The Knowledge Hub is also accessible on the footer of our website. So that's it. We hope you can find what you need in our Knowledge Hub. Please reach out if you need any further help by emailing info@mortarai.com. We're more than happy to assist you with whatever you need. Master your data, build your market.